Hey guys, welcome to Chapter 4, Lesson 1, where we will learn how to combine basic shapes in After Effects. What we're going to do is create 3 basic shapes and try to combine them in one shape layer. Our first shape would be using a rectangle tool. So now I'm just holding my Shift button so it will scale proportionately. Next, we will use an ellipse tool to create a basic circle. And lastly, a polygon tool. Make sure the shape layer is selected while creating new shapes to store them in one shape layer. Here's a quick trick to change the number of edges on any polygon shape. Just go to its position properties and change the number of points. As you can see, you can animate these 3 shapes simultaneously with the layer transform property. Or you can select only the shape you want to animate, then go to its Shape Transform tab and animate it separately. In this way, you'll have the freedom and flexibility to control each shape or animate them efficiently simultaneously. That's all, and see you at the next lesson.